How to set up two-step verification on Instagram. Let's get started with the video. First, open the Instagram app on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Next, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once on your profile, click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner. Afterward, in the menu, select the Account Center. Now inside the Account Center, choose the Password and Security option. Under the Login and Recovery section, click on the Two-Factor Authentication. Next, you will need to choose an account where you want to set up two-step verification. Furthermore, Instagram will ask you to choose a security method. You have two options to choose from. First option is Authentication app. Download an app like Google Authenticator, which will generate a unique code for you, or SMS and WhatsApp, where you will receive a verification code through the text message. Now, after selecting your preferred method, hit Next and then enter your phone number. Then Instagram will send the verification code to the chosen method. Enter the code you received and tap Next. Your two-step verification is now set up, providing an extra layer of protection for your Instagram account. That's it. This is how to set up two-step verification on Instagram.